A dedication to all the refugees worldwide. One time. Say, I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Brooklyn. About solving the crookedness. As in mingle with the good people we meet.
They say Taylor was a good girl, never want to be late. Complain, express ideas in her brain.
Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright.
Working on the night shift, pass another day. Cause you're gonna have to pay her if you wanna park here.
Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Good friends we had, oh, good friends we've lost along the way. In this great future, you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say, until my peeps who passed away.
He just wanders around, unaffected by the winter winds, yeah. And he'll pretend that he's somewhere else, so far away, about 2,000 miles from here.
He left a card, a bar of soap, and a scrubbing brush next to a note that said useless down to your bones. And before I knew I had shiny skin and it felt easy being clean like him, I thought this one knows better than I do.
Well, mommy's little dancer is quite a little secret. Walking on the streets now, never gonna keep it. It's quite an imposition. Now she's only wishing that she would have listened to the words they said.
So the next one came with a bag of treats. She smelled like sugar and spoke like the sea. And she told me, don't trust them, trust me. Then she pulled in my stitches one by one, looked at my insides, clicking her tongue, and said, this will all have to come undone.
He just wanders around, unaffected by the winter winds, yeah. And he'll pretend that he's somewhere else, so far and clear, about 2,000 miles from here.
I come from a land down under, where beaters flow and chunder. Can't you hear the thunder? You better run, you better take cover. I come from a land down under,
Unaffected by,
where beaters flow and chunder.
and she'll pretend that
Can't you hear the thunder?
so far and clear,
You better run,
about
you better
2,000
take cover.
miles from here.
You come from a land down under,
Unaffected by,
women glow and men plunder.
and he'll pretend that
Can't you hear the thunder?
so far and clear,
You better run,
about
you better
2,000
take cover.
miles